Okay, this is 15-minute part B. See, FET biasing, simple. FET output current equation is function of two voltages, VGS and VDS. ID is equal to function of VGS comma VDS. Okay, ID is controlled by VGS. We already said if VGS is negative, ID will be decreased. VGS is positive, okay, ID will be increased. Now first we need to know about here. Okay, we need to know about okay. Now here first we need to know this is ID current through the drain terminal, through the source IS and through the gate IG. Now we know that IG is approximately equal to 0 because why? VGS we are applying reverse bias, that's why IG will become 0. Therefore, if IG will become 0, ID equal to IDSS. ID equal to IDSS. And this is our output current equation. ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. VP is in the sense pinch of voltage. This is a current equation for JFET and DMOSFET. And the output current equation for E MOSFET is ID is equal to K into VGS minus VT whole square. Why it is mean by VGS minus VT is the minimum drive voltage to form a channel. VGS minus VT. Okay, in both the equation A and B, okay, this is both the equation. ID is a function is of VGS with the square. So clearly say that relationship between ID and VGS is non-linear. It is not a linear. It is a non-linear function. Okay, now the Q point is VGS Q comma IDQ. Types of FET biasing. There are three circuits: fixed bias, self bias, voltage divider bias. Now please keep in mind in BJT, okay, we have fixed bias, self bias. Self bias other name is voltage divider bias. But here self bias is separate circuit, voltage divider bias is separate circuit. Here fixed bias configuration of JFET. Okay, if they ask the question, okay, explain fixed bias, okay, in JFET or FET, okay, whatever it may be. If they ask, okay, you have to draw the circuit diagram like this. Okay, here two resistors are there across drain and across gate. Source we don't have the resistor. If we keep source near source one resistor, that is like a second circuit is self bias. Okay, now we already know for DC analysis capacitors are open circuit. We need to represent capacitors are open. Okay, input side and output side. Here VGG, okay, we already said VGG is a main biasing voltage to operate FET. That's a VGG we need to apply. This is a negative. This is a negative. Sorry, here plus minus are written. Sorry, minus plus here. VGG is a negative here. Now this is capacitor is open circuit. Okay, now see here. Here IG will become 0 because this is reverse bias. IG will be 0. Then RG. Okay, then voltage drop across RG is how much more? VG is equal to IG into RG. IG will be 0. 0 into anything is 0 volts. Means across RG there is 0 volts. Then I can represent with the short circuit or not. Let's see here. I can represent RG with short circuit. Means wherever we'll get RG resistance, you can represent with the short circuit. Please keep in mind. Okay. Now, if you apply the KVL, okay, which loop? My gate source loop. Okay, then we'll get here. Here I written correctly, minus plus, yes. If you apply that one, starting terminal is minus VGG. Here, ending terminal is minus VGS. Then VGS Q is equal to minus VGG. Apply KVL in drain source loop. This drain source loop, output side. Drain source loop. Then what will get? Plus VDD. Here current entering terminal minus plus minus ID into RD minus VDS equal to 0. from this ID will get. Here we will get VGS and ID. This is the Q point. In the Q point, you can write ID place. Okay, two equations you can write. Either current equation you can write or ID equation. Here I written with the ID current equation. IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. Or you can write VDD minus VDS by RD. Both can get same value. This is about which one? Fixed bias. Fixed bias means at the drain gate side we have two resistance. Now self bias, if you observe, see here, self bias. If you observe the self bias, see here, RS will come extra. Which one will come? RS will come. Okay. Now we already know that RG will become 0. IG will be 0 means IS is equal to ID. And DC analysis for, okay, XC, reactance of capacitance is infinity, then we can replace with the short circuit. And RG we need to neglect, make with the short circuit. Make with the short circuit. This is the final circuit. Now if you apply the loop side, what you will get? VGS equal to, see here, VGS is equal to, VGS is equal to minus ID into RC. That is nothing but VDS. Sorry. Okay, VGS here, yeah, VGG is not there here. Fixed bias, we need to fix the VGG. Here we don't have VGS here. Okay, please keep in mind, this is VGG we don't have. Okay, if you apply the loop, minus VGS minus IS into RS. Minus IS into RS. We know that IS is equal to ID, then we'll get minus ID into RS. Sorry, ma, two differences ma here. RS will be there, here VGG will be there. See, here VG. Okay, we don't have VGG fixed. Okay, then VGS is equal to, we got it as a minus ID into RS. Now apply the KVL at the output loop. Output loop. Here, what we'll get? ID and IS are equal. ID and IS are equal. Then plus VDD minus ID into RD. Here plus minus VGS minus VDS. Sorry, minus VDS minus IS into RS. We know that ID is equal to IS. Okay, then in place of IS you can write ID. Then we'll get ID. Here ID. Okay, here you can write VGSQ is minus ID into RS. Okay, IDQ plus you can write either this equation, ID equation or current equation directly. This is about self bias. Voltage divider bias. It is similar to the self bias of or voltage divider bias of the BJT. Same circuit. R1, R2 will be there, RD and RS will be there. Now, for DC analysis, capacitors are open circuit. Then the circuit will come like this. Okay, here if you see here, IG will be 0, right? For the gate and IG will be 0. Then I1 equal to I2. I1 equal to I2. This current I1 equal to I2. Therefore, the voltage across VG is across R2, right? Okay, across R2. That's why VDD is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2. Apply KVL at gate source loop. Okay, in this loop, we need to apply the KVL. Then we'll get plus VG minus VGS minus IS into RS is equal to 0. Then we'll get here VG minus ID into RS. Apply KVL at gate drain loop. Okay, for to find ID output loop. Okay, from that we'll find out the ID. Okay, from that we'll find out the ID. The simple technique one. See here, I will compare 3. I will show to you. Sorry. See, there are 3 circuits. The 3 circuits having, okay, small difference. First one is fixed bias. Fixed bias. Okay, in that one we are using JFET here. If they ask MOSFET, you can draw with MOSFET. That's it. Okay, here this is a gate, drain, source. This is RD. Here VDD will be there. Source is connected to ground and RG. And here it is VGS is fixed. Here VGG is fixed. This is a circuit. For self bias, same RD, RG will be there. The self bias VGG we don't want. And here it is RG and here it is RS will be. Okay, for voltage divider bias, voltage divider bias, okay, similar like these are. We have input side one capacitance, output side one capacitance. That is common. And this is VGS. Here also plus minus VGS. Here also plus minus VGS. Here plus minus VDS. Here also plus minus VDS. This is RD. Here also RD, RS, R1, R2. First, these are the three circuits. To find ID, common ma, output loop. To find ID, this is a loop. To find ID, or else I will draw with black color. Okay. To find ID, to find ID, to find ID. These all are ID, output loop. Here plus VDD. Okay, for example, to find this one plus VDD, okay, what will get plus VDD? Current entering terminal here ID, okay, plus minus, minus ID into RD, minus VDS, minus IS into RS. Now we know ID equal to IS, ID equal to IS. Then here I can write ID. From this ID if we take common, minus ID if we take common, RD plus RS, okay, VDD minus minus VDS equal to 0. From this ID is equal to what you can write? VDD minus VDS by RD plus RS, RD plus RS. Like this you can find out 3. And here RG will be always short circuit. Here also short circuit will come. Then if you apply the loop analysis here, okay, here minus VGG, okay, to find VGS, minus VGS equal to 0. Here VGS is equal to minus VGG. Here if you apply the loop equation, here IS RS will be there. Okay, then minus VGS minus IS into RS equal to 0 in this loop equation input. Here, see here IG will be 0, right? IG will be 0. This is I1 current, this is I2 current. This is 0, I1 equal to I2. Then I can write here directly VG. VG, how we can write here? VG is equal to VDD applied voltage VDD into R2 across R2 by R1 plus R2. That's it. Like this, you can do the derivation. 3 circuits are there. If they ask fixed bias, self bias, voltage divider bias. Okay, this is about the 3 circuits. Okay, thank you. Here we completed 15.